In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use effectively in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. Let's start with picking the right tool for the job. Use the standard web search, the one with the globe icon, when you need a quick lookup, a breaking news check, or a direct link. It's fast, skims a few top indexes, and gives you a concise summary. Switch to deep research when you're doing heavy lifts like literature reviews, competitive analyses, or technical landscape mapping. Deep research runs many sequential passes, follows links, can read your uploads, and produces a fully cited multi-chapter report. Choosing wisely protects your monthly limits and saves time. To initialize deep research, open your main message box, click the plus icon on the left, and select Deep Research, or just type /deep research. Before you submit your brief, look above the input area for sites, then choose Manage Sites. Here, you can lock the scope by adding comma-separated domains like ncbi.nlm, nixg.gov, or rxiv.org to prioritize or restrict to trusted sources. If you're on Plus, Team, or Pro, open connectors to link your approved cloud data, such as Google Drive, SharePoint, FactSet, or PitchBook. Only connect what you're authorized to use, and remember that narrower scopes often yield cleaner, faster results. Deep research starts with a prompt clarification loop. If your request is broad, it will ask steering questions before spinning up compute. For example, if you say research advancements in CRISPR gene therapy, it might ask whether to focus on clinical trials or policy and ethics. Answer directly, then review the on-screen research plan. You can rename sections, add constraints, remove noise, and when it looks right, click Start Research to run it in the background. While it works, you can keep using ChatGPT. To audit progress, open the full screen report view. In the Activity tab, you'll see a live transcript of searches, which pages were opened, skipped, or used for evidence. The Sources tab centralizes every citation, papers, filings, and public links, so you can verify claims with confidence. When it's done, you'll get a structured briefing, not just a chat reply. Use the table of contents on the left to jump between chapters like methodology, key fact consensus, and strategic takeaways. In the header, click Export or Download to save the full report as Markdown, Word, or PDF for easy sharing. Finally, mind your allocation limits. Free and lighter tiers get 5 lightweight queries per month on an O4 mini loop. Plus, Team and Enterprise have 25 high-tier queries on the flagship GPT 5.2 agent layer. ChatGPT Pro offers 250 high-priority queries with maximum compute depth on O3 and GPT 5.2. Reserve deep research for high-value questions and use web search for quick hits. That's it for today. Use these steps to automate searching, verify sources, and export polished, cited reports, saving hours of manual work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.